morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys new coupons to print. Now, I say this every week, print your coupons from Swagbucks, and my points, you guys get paid for printing coupons. But I'm here to share with you guys new coupons to print or whatever has reset. So let's go on and see it. Sorry, my voice is a little raspy. Just woke up, plus I'm still sick. Yes. Okay, usually they always have the new ones kind of down in the middle, so I'm just skipping through this. If it's up to you guys if you want to do it. But they did add, we got $1.50 off Degree Men Spray Deodorant. We have $1 off Colgate mouthwash. Now, I always say print off the Colgate coupons, because that's actually a better coupon right now than the one I think we get in our inserts today. So definitely go ahead and do that. We have $1.25 off 7th Generation Disinfectant. $1.25 off Dove or Degree. $1.25 off Degree Women's. We have $1 Huggies. I don't know if that's a new one or if it's the same one. I cannot remember. But here is $1.25 off Degree. $1.50 off Degree Women. If you guys want to go ahead and do that. I'm not going to print those off yet. They might be available a little bit longer, but I'm not going to print those quite yet. But here is a Neutrogena Bright Boost product. They got Nicoderm and Phillips, all that stuff right there. Pull-ups, $1. There is the same Colgate coupon. Again, another Degree Men coupon. Fancy Feast, Allegra. Make sure you guys also check your Savings Star to add more Savings Star. Now, this stuff was on here last night. This Broncade, Salsa Blue, and MunchPak. I don't even know what that is. Myers, $1 off is still available for that. But that is it for new coupons to print. Not the greatest, but I think I'm only printing off one. Yep, I'm only printing off one. And then here are the ones that are still available if you guys need to print that one. So, just wanted to share with you guys new coupons to print. You guys have an awesome day, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.